What's up guys, Dirk here. In today's video I have more bullish news for you because the SPX has just made a new golden cross. So what does this mean? Well, let's look at these charts right now. So as you can see in front of me here, the SPX, the S&P 500, as a daily chart, we have the 50 simple moving average in blue and the 200 moving average in red. And you can see this is going all the way back here to 2015. The amount of times that we have this golden cross is only 4 times now, and that's including the one that is about to form. So this does not happen often. The golden cross is usually a long-term bullish signal. It happens when the 50 moving average crosses up through the red. So you can see over here, that was in 2016, and we had a major upside rally. After that lasted for 2 years. The same thing here. After this correction in 2018, we had another golden cross in 2019 that took us a lot higher. After the 2020 correction, we had another golden cross here in June of 2020, and that took us all the way up over here for a year and a half. Now we had this correction in 2022, and now finally you can see the new golden cross that is just about started to form. So again, there's never a guarantee with any sort of indicator that it is going to be 100% reliable. There is always the chance that it could end up being a fake out and that it goes up a little bit and rolls back over again. That is a possibility. But there is also the possibility, as you can see, the past 3 times there was a golden cross on this SPX, we have seen many months of upside following that golden cross. So the question is, what is going to happen this time? Only time is going to tell, but so far this is a good bullish signal. So switching this over to the weekly chart, now one further thing I want to see, which hopefully we are going to be able to see by the end of this week or otherwise next week, is I want to see also a reclaim here of the 50-week moving average in blue, because that is additional confirmation of a very bullish signal. So we got the golden cross now. As I'm making this, is a Thursday as I'm recording this, so we want to see this week how it closes for the weekly. If we get a weekly close above that 50-week moving average, even better, 2 consecutive weekly closes to avoid any sort of fake outs. But you can see here, going back over the last 10 years, whenever the price was below that 50 and it reclaims it, same thing. It reclaims it and it led to a new all-time high. It reclaimed it over here, new all-time high. Reclaimed it over here, new all-time high. So we are very close here. We have not yet gotten that confirmation, but it could happen this week, maybe next week. Hopefully I will do an update once we get that reclaim, but if we get it, things start to look very bullish as we have the golden cross and the reclaim, and just based on the data, that shows a high probability or possibility that we could go back up to the all-time highs or maybe even make new all-time highs in the S&P 500. The interesting thing is we have already done that in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is already leading, because you can see it actually reclaimed the 50-week moving average back in October or November last year already. And you can see here, just as I've marked on the chart, whenever it did that, it reclaims it, new all-time high. It reclaims it, new all-time high. Reclaims, new all-time high. Reclaims, new all-time high. We reclaimed it here. We retested it. Is a new all-time high coming within the next few months for the Dow Jones. We now almost have confirmation of the SPX doing the same thing. And as I've shown you before, a key component of this is also the dollar index, which is now below the 50-week moving average here in blue. And you can see when this happened in the past, it created our 2017 bull market, our 2020 bull market, and we are now well below it with a close below it. Keep an eye on that. If we reclaim it and get back above it, that could mean more downside for crypto and stocks. As long as we're below that and we're continuing a multi-week or multi-month downtrend in the dollar index, we could see the opposite in the stock markets and in Bitcoin and the crypto market. So this all does look very bullish for stocks and for crypto. Smash the like button if you like this update. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And I will see you in the next video.